En wang jowi ariyo mag Royal Media Services, Citizen kod Inooro otelo e lando chenro mag nyithindo kod rowere kipimo kod kembe mamoko mag fwambo mapachoka. E nonro mogol kod kambi mar Ipsos, mane wuok mar timo nonro ewi kembe mag ute fwambo makonyo e bero ngima mar nyithindo kokalo kuom chenro mag nyiso kendo ma iwinjo. Thoth televisen mapachoka ok thor nyiso tuke makonyo dongo paro mar nyithindo.
To be honest, we realize that even from a research point of view, we don't cover a lot of the younger children. The survey had managed to cover at least 12 years and above. But what about those that are younger? So we had raised a specific question to ask them, what do you do with other children? Now that you are an adult, probably in the household, for those who have children who live with them, what do they watch? Seen the top 20 channels, for instance. I just picked out some of the top 20 channels we found, which I said cover over 80% of the total time spent on television.
We are also working on the children guidelines, programming guidelines for the children, which will speak specifically to the different categorization of children programming in terms of the age brackets. These are the first step, because the first step is to put the right regulatory